In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Klaviyo. This is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to enhance their email marketing campaigns. So let's dive right in and break it down step by step. Starting from the Klaviyo homepage, you're first going to navigate over to the left part of your screen where you'll find the Campaigns option. This is your gateway to managing all of your email marketing efforts, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Campaigns section, you'll need to locate the specific campaign to which you want to add your image. This might take a moment if you have multiple campaigns running, but ensuring you're in the correct one is crucial. With your campaign selected, look for the three dots menu. By clicking on these three dots, you'll find an option labeled Edit Campaign. Clicking this will allow you to make changes to your existing email campaign, such as adding text, tweaking layouts, and of course, adding images. Up in the top corner, you'll see an Edit button. This is the section where real customizations happen, so go ahead and click on it. You're now in the Designer part of Klaviyo, where you can modify the blocks within the campaign. From here, you'll see a variety of elements you can add to your email, including text, buttons, and more. What we're interested in is the image icon. Simply click on and drag this image block into your email campaign. Place it precisely where you want it to appear in your email content. Once you've positioned your image block, you'll need to click on the Select Image button. This action opens up options to either choose an image you've already uploaded or to introduce a new one from your device. Click on Upload Image. You'll be presented with a prompt to select the image file from your computer. Navigate to where you've saved this image, select it, and then click Open. This begins the process of uploading your chosen image into the campaign. Make sure it's in the correct format and a reasonable size for emails to optimize load performance. Now that your image is uploaded, confirm your choice and click Continue. This action places your image directly into the email template, exactly where you dragged the image block earlier. Give this a quick review to ensure it looks just right within your design and communicates what you intend it to. Finally, complete these steps by clicking Upload. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your Klaviyo campaign, enhancing its visual appeal and engagement potential. Following these steps, you can ensure your emails not only deliver your message, but also captivate your audience with stunning visuals. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.